Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap tokens on Jupiter using the Phantom wallet. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to complete your first token swap with confidence. Let's get started, shall we? First, make sure you have access to the Jupiter platform. Once you've opened Jupiter, you'll want to navigate to GUPAG. This is where all the magic happens, as it's a powerful and versatile platform for swapping tokens on the Solana network. Next, it's crucial to connect your wallet. Look for the Connect Wallet option. Click on it, and from the list of available wallets, choose Phantom. You'll need to approve the connection, so keep an eye out for prompts in your Phantom wallet and make sure to approve them to successfully connect to Jupiter. Now that your wallet is connected, it's time to select the tokens you want to swap. Start by choosing which token you will exchange from. In this case, we'll be using SOL from your balance. You should see your balance displayed, which helps to easily plan the amount you wish to swap. Once you've selected SOL as your From token, it's time to decide on the To token, which is the token you'd like to receive. For this, you need the memecoin's contract address. You can paste this address directly or simply search for the memecoin's name if it's listed on Jupiter. Having the correct contract address ensures that you're swapping for the right token, minimizing any potential mistakes. Let's move on to entering the swap amount. Carefully type in the amount of SOL you want to spend. Ensure you have enough balance to cover this amount, including any network fees, which helps avoid transaction failures. One crucial aspect of swapping is setting the slippage tolerance. Start with a slippage of 1–2%. This percentage indicates how much price movement you're willing to tolerate during the swap. For tokens with lower liquidity, you might need to set this a bit higher to ensure the swap goes through. Keep in mind that too much slippage might lead to increased costs, so adjust it wisely. With everything set up, it's time to execute the swap. Click on Swap. Review all the details of the transaction to make sure everything looks good. And finally, approve the transaction within your Phantom wallet. And there you have it. Once the swap is completed, the new token should appear in your Phantom wallet. If it doesn't show up immediately, you might have to add it manually using the token's contract address. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and straightforward. Remember, always double-check the details before confirming any transactions. Feel free to watch the video again as needed, and happy swapping!